Hey guys, this is Rob Slocum. I've got a quick tutorial here on fairly complex wall cleanup. This is a house that we're doing in Van Alstyne, Texas. We were trying to finish up the construction docks on this, and I had a few gables on the side of this house and made a simple wall change inside and didn't even realize that I had affected the outside until I found a strange little hole here. Now, what had happened was, let's go to the floor plan and I'll show you. This is in the master bathroom area, and I created a different wall style to show a 2x6 wall behind plumbing, and it's adjacent to this 2x4 wall with a stone brick pattern there. Now both of these walls I have used the join to roof tool because they're in the gable on this side. But teeing into this area is an interior demising wall, and it appears like it's cleaning up perfectly well in plan view. But what's causing the actual problem, if you can see this, I will hide this one using HH for hide. You can see that this interior wall is correctly only 10 feet high connecting to the ceiling. And so it's causing this gap above. How do you fix that? Well, you can play with the height of this wall, but really you can also fix it with your cleanup tools in plan view. Let me go back to the first floor plan. And although this appeared to clean up perfectly well, notice what happens if I come up here and select my wall joins tool and hover over this intersection. You see these temporary lines showing how it's cleaning up. And in fact, we kind of above the 10-foot plate line, we're seeing that there was a gap right here. If I come up to configuration and go to next, notice how now this interior wall terminates and these two come together and butt together. If I click out of this, it doesn't look any different in plan view. But notice when I come back to 3D, it didn't just fix this in plan view, it fixed it in both. Now obviously I need to adjust my texture pattern to make the both of these walls fit together, but I solved the major problem with this. So anyway, just wanted to share. It was a simple little trick. Some of you may have known this, but some may be struggling with this from time to time. If this was useful, please like the video and share. Thanks.